Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna fix the leak. Back in a little break away just before Christmas in November, we came through some really bad weather, thunderstorms, rain, torrential, and we developed a leak up in that top section which dripped down in the inside and onto our mattress. Karen's got a great story about that. I'm sure she's dying to tell you. Waking up with like a bucket load of water dripping on her head, sort of. It would wake anybody up. So, getting up on the roof, looking at possibly why it's leaking this end, apart from the doors, which I don't see any reason for the doors to be leaking. But whoever installed the reversing camera up the top ran the wire behind the brake light up the top. And I'll take you up in a moment and I'll show you. They ran the wire behind it and then just used a silicone to go over the bead of silicone to go over the top. So the actual brake light is sitting out from the van. So I think that's where it's leaking from. So I'm gonna snip the wire, leave the camera where it is, hopefully it's not that, fix the brake light, and we'll fingers crossed that we might have the leak fixed. But anyway, I'll take you up and I'll show you. Okay, so this is the possibility of the leak, and as you can see up the top, as I zoom in, you can sort of see the silicon's breaking away from the top. There's a few holes, and then there's a gasket round the little Spidey homes. This gasket round where the camera's been put, so I don't think it's leaking there. I'm going to snip the wire because I no longer need this camera, and undo these bolts, take her off, and we'll have a look behind. And I might have to disturb Mr. Spidey. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. Just for my overseas relos, have a look at the crack of a day it is. Not a cloud, beautiful morning, about 9ish. It's already getting a bit very warm up on the roof, but it's a good time to do it. Rain, brilliant, hey? Hi to all the people, all my family in Scotland. Thinking of you, New Year's tomorrow. Hopefully this year it's going to be a better year. Going to give it a bit of a clean with some white spirits, take the old sticker off and the old rubber, and start afresh. Okay, cleaned up quite well. The gasket was well gone. So I've stripped the best I can out of it, and then I'm gonna stick a flex light back in, and hopefully we'll have a nice bonding. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so the Sikaflex I'm using is 221. It's an adhesive and got flexibility, so since I had some left over, I thought I'll just use it up rather than waste. And of course I've got my trusty dishwashing liquid to smooth it all off. Works really well. See how it goes.